Hello guys, hopefully you are doing well. This is Muzammal Hussain. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates. In this video we are showing our previous project related to database for license plate recognition of car or other vehicles to cross-refer with code that will be workable on Python. The data will be a Python script with OCR and it will be show the OCR results of the license plate. After that we can use it anywhere. For example, if you can show an image of the car on the webcam, you will get a cross referencing to see if the OCR result showing the license plate on the Python script. This is the same way as any of the license plates stored in MySQL workbench. Hopefully guys, this code will be helpful to you to understand our skills of related to this particular projects like Opencv, Python. There are links below. You can discuss your project with